We all have two lives. Second begins when we realize that we only have one. आशाएं 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 खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी. Hello everyone, I am the hope, Asha. Yes, you all heard it correctly, the hope. Oh my God, said my father, and he fainted when I was born. The entire family was expecting Vishnu ji, and they got Lakshmi ji. Family was expecting a baby boy, but they got a baby girl. I am the third girl child in my family. The oh my God turned into thank God on the same day only, when pure feelings of parents emerged for me. My name was decided as Asha because family was hoping good things in life, mainly health, wealth, and a baby boy. Later on, the family members' wishes and dreams started becoming real. The house was renovated, everyone's health was fine, and mainly, finally, the baby boy, my younger brother, was born within 2 years. Considering old and orthodox concept, my life was full of controls, but not in my control. Too much of limitations in every situation. Life became a do as directed drama. When I was of marriageable age, my mother was always used to praying that I should be selected by a guy immediately. But I wanted to be with the person whom I can connect with emotionally. God decided to help me. Now it was about Kismet connection. Swayam ki coach was the only option with the hope. I was waiting for my thoughts to give birth to actions. Finally, the day arrived of my engagement. Against all odds within the family, I chose to make my own decision and chose Happy Hardik as my life partner. Hardik brought freedom in my life with happiness. Freedom brought fresh air and new way of journey in life. Now it is all about perspective of life. An idea can change your life as per Abhishek Bachchan. But for me, a decision changed my life. India became free in 1947 and I became free. Asha became free in 2006. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. After marriage, the responsibility was huge to manage between two families. You can say the toughest task for me, but always caring nature of my husband helped me to get through it easily. A totally dependent lady is now running a complete homemaker show. Her balancing and leading nature changed everything. I realized that life can begin at 40. Age is just a number. What you think of yourself only matters. Now, when family gatherings are over, it's about me. What is the purpose of my life? What do I want to do in my life? What makes me happy? Will Asha be the hope in her life? List of questions are there in my mind, but the answer is only one. Asha, the hope. Thanks to everyone for being a part of my journey, but a special thanks to Noble Nancy. Noble because I wanted to exit from speaker circle, but she had every situation of mine like a mother. Thank you.